Hello friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry YouTube channel. As we discussed in last class, some of the important points about what aliphatic compounds, aromatic compound, alicyclic compounds, and next one is what heterocyclic compounds. Aliphatic compounds are open chain structures. After that, aromatic means aroma means what, smell or a fragrant. Aromatic compounds containing at least one benzene ring in them, that is called what, aromatic compounds. Example for aromatic compounds is what, benzene, toluene, phenol, naphthalene. Naphthalene means generally in regular we are using mothballs, that is indicate what, naphthalene structure. Okay. Next after that, what, alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds similar to what, aliphatic compounds, but containing what, ring, that is indicate what, alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds do not follow the aromatic character, bear in mind. After that, the last one is what, heterocyclic compounds. Hetero means what, different, homo means what, same. Heterocyclic compounds are the compounds, in this case what happen, carbon replaced by a heteroatoms. Heteroatom may be a nitrogen or maybe oxygen or maybe a sulfur. In this case example for heterocyclic compound is pyrrole is there, thiophene is there, furan is there, pyridine is there, piperidine is there. Okay, all these are example for what, heterocyclic compounds. Today we are going to discuss the next part of that this topic. Starting first point is what, functional group. What is the functional group? Definition is there. Next one is what are the functional group, and next name of the some of the functional group. Functional group is a group of an atom or group of atoms which determine the what, properties of the organic compound. Just see here, functional group definition is a very simple. Functional group are the group of atoms that determine the properties of the organic compound, that is called what, functional group. Most important point is what, in this case, properties. The properties of the organic compound. Generally how to write the functional group, or group is an atom or a group of atoms. In this case what, with the help of the functional group we are going to determine the properties of the organic compound. Next some of the example are there, functional group example, and next one is what, name. The first functional group is what, this is a OH. What you are going to call, this is a what, OH. What is the name of this one? Alcohol. Alcohol is the name. Next this is the name of functional group. Next in this case this one is indicate what, ether. Okay, this is called this arrow mark indicate means at least in this case what happen, carbon is there, CH3 is there. In this case also what, CH3 is there. If arrow mark indicate like this, just see here, just I am going to write it like this. Okay, this is what H, this is what H, next this is what H. This is I am not going to write a H. What it indicates? This is indicate what, CH3. In this case what, CH3. We know very well about that what, bond line representation. The free end is indicate what, carbon. That carbon is satisfied with the help of what, hydrogen. In this case also same. Here is what, CH3 is there. Here is what, CH3 is there. CH3O CH3 like this. That is indicate what, ether. Bear in mind all the functional group are most important for basic. Okay. Next after that in this case what, CHO, this is called what, aldehyde. How we are going to write this CHO structure? Just here I am going to write C double bond O, this is a what, arrow mark, this is a what, H, like this. This is also same, this is also same. In this case what, carbon oxygen double bond is there. In this case carbon oxygen double bond, carbon is a less electronegativity, oxygen is a more electronegativity. Okay, important point. What you are going to call, this is called what, aldehyde. Okay, next after that in this case just here, what is the name of this one, ketone. How we are going to write a ketone structure? C double bond O, this is indicate what, ketone. Next after that what about this one, carboxylic acid. What is the name of this one? Carboxylic acid. What is the structure of carboxylic acid? Just see here, I am going to write here only. This is what, C double bond O. Next in this case what, O. After that what, this is a H. This one is indicate what, carboxylic acid. Just see here, this aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, in all the cases which group is there? Most important group is what, carbonyl group. Okay. Next after that the this is what, ester, COO minus. What is the structure of this one? C double bond O is there. Next in this case O, this is called what, minus charge, negative charge is there. In this case also what, containing what, carbonyl group. All are the structure of what, functional group. Next after that NH2 is there. NH2 is indicate what, amine structure. You have to practice, make it practice. All these things are what most important. The first one is what? Alcohol, the second one is ether, third one is aldehyde, ketone, next one is carbolic acid, next one is what? Ester, next one is what? Amine. What is the functional group? They are going to ask you definition. You have to write very simple definition. Okay, functional groups are the group of atoms. It can determine the properties of the organic compound. Just see here, what is the properties of the this OH means what? That is OH is indicate what? Alcoholic group. Okay, alcohol is what? Acid, bear in mind. Okay, next after that ether is there. Ether is different, ester is different. Just see here, this is what? Ether is there, this is what? CH3O CH3, this one is what? Ether. In this case, just see here, this is what? Ester. Ether do not containing carbonyl group, but ester containing what? Carbonyl group. Okay, that is why most important point. Next after that, the next point is what? Homologous series. Homo means what? Said. Hetero means what? Different. Okay, you know very well about that definition of heterocyclic compounds. Okay, in this case what? Homo means what? Same. Just see here, this is what? HOMO. Homo means what? Same. Homologous series. Homologous series is a series of what? Structurally related compounds. Most important, structurally related compounds differing by what? CH2 group. Differing by what? CH2 group. Important. Okay, just see here, very simple definition. Homologous series is a series of structurally related compounds differing by what? CH2 group. Most important. Okay, CH2 group. Or this is indicate what? General formula for what? Homologous series. CnH2n plus 1, this is what? OH is there. N equal to 1 2 3 so on. You have to fill n equal to 1 here, 2 into 1 2. In this case we are going to get a 3 like this. Okay, this is the general formula. What is the definition? These are structurally related compounds differing by CH2 group. Okay, next in this case, just here molecular formula. Next one is what is the name of the molecular formula? Just here CH3OH is there. What is the name of this one? IUPAC name is methanol. Common name is a methyl alcohol. You have to write any of the, no problem. Okay, just here methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is a what? Common name. Okay. Next one is what? How many carbons are there? 2 carbon. 2 carbon means what? Eth. The IUPAC name is what? Ethanol. The common name is what? Ethyl alcohol. Common name is what? Ethyl alcohol. Common name is ethyl alcohol. Next one is what? CH3 is there. CH2. Next one is what? OH is there. 1 2 3. 3 carbons are there. What is the name of this one? Propane. Okay, IUPAC name is what? Propanol. Otherwise you have to write 1 propanol. Okay, common name is for, in this case what happened? Propyl alcohol. This is indicate what? Propanol. Ethyl is there. This is called what? Propyl alcohol. Propyl alcohol. Okay, this is the IUPAC name. Just here, according to definition, what is the definition? Homologous series is a series of structurally related compounds differing by CH2 group. That is called what? Homologous series. Okay, just see here, in this case, this is what? CH3OH is there, methyl alcohol. Compared to this one, what is the difference between CH2 group is there? No, only in this case what? Extra one CH2 group is there. Just I am going to remove this CH2 group. What you are going to get? CH3OH. Same CH3OH. This is called what? Homologous series. Next you have to compare between these two. In this case what? How many carbons are there? 2 carbon. In this case what? How many carbons are there? 3 carbon. I am going to remove one CH2 group. Okay, CH3 CH2OH, CH3 CH2OH. What is the difference between these two? Only what? CH2 group. But in this case what happen? All are what? Structurally same. All are what? Structurally same. According to definition only, these are the what? Homologous series. Series of what? Structurally related compounds differing by what? CH2 group. Only in this case what? Important point is what? Difference is what? CH2 group. If you want, you can take a screenshot. I will count number 5 4 3 2 1.